Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best rice cookers on the market, the Aroma Housewares 6-cup rice cooker. If you're looking for a reliable kitchen companion that delivers perfect rice every time, you're in the right place. Let's explore why this cooker stands out from the rest. The Aroma Housewares rice cooker is a compact yet powerful appliance that can prepare up to 6 cups of cooked rice with ease. Its one-touch operation simplifies cooking, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Whether you're cooking jasmine rice for a stir-fry or brown rice for a hearty bowl, this cooker handles it all effortlessly. Let's talk about its features. First off, it comes with a full-view tempered glass lid, allowing you to monitor your rice as it cooks without lifting the lid and disrupting the process. The non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleanup, just hand wash it, and you're good to go. It also includes a rice measuring cup and serving spatula, making it a complete package for your kitchen. Performance-wise, the Aroma rice cooker excels. It features automatic keep warm functionality, so your rice stays perfectly heated until you're ready to serve. Beyond rice, you can use it for soups, chili, and even steaming vegetables. It's a versatile addition to any kitchen arsenal. The consistent results and reliability make it a favorite among households. In conclusion, the Aroma Housewares 6-cup rice cooker is without a doubt one of the best options out there. For anyone looking to simplify their meal preparation with consistently delicious results. Its user-friendly design, reliability, and versatility make it a must-have for any kitchen. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience, I highly recommend checking out this fantastic appliance. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like to see reviewed next. Until next time, happy cooking!